is Joe and I'm here today with Colby, and Tom is on the bike over there. Where is he? There he is. Say hi, Tom.
Hi.
And it is our son's birthday and we've been opening presents, and I have a big parcel here from England, which is really big, full of stuff that my mom and sister said that they would have brought over if they could have visited, but you know, with the whole COVID thing, my mom and dad, I think it was my mom and dad, right? My mom and aunt were supposed to come over on June 1st last year, and they were booked and everything. They got refunded, so it was all, I mean, in terms of money it was all good, but in terms of them coming over, Colby's still opening. But we're gonna call them and we're gonna open this up. So I'm gonna set them up over here, and we're gonna, it is blocks, and we're gonna open this.
Put it on the desk. Put that up on the desk.
Yeah, oh, calling one person.
Here.
I called Natasha by mistake, because she doesn't call me back. Alright, we're calling Grandma and
See where it's stuck.
Be quiet.
so noisy in here.
I wanna open it, Mommy.
Show them what you got. Alright, excellent. Alright, Tom's
Mommy.
gonna, it's out.
Mommy, I want to.
Yeah, we're gonna open it with Grandma. With Grandma. It's Thomas' themed birthday. Hang on, there's Grandma. Hang on. Grandma. There's Grandma.
Turn open it.
Grandma. We're gonna open it, Grandma.
I want to see
I'm
it.
gonna go mess. I'll go mess with this show.
Okay, we're gonna open. Hang on, what's your hands? We don't have scissors, so I'll just use my mouth.
Our mouth.
Oh, we have Auntie Ness now.
I see what's in here.
I'm recording. It's an unboxing.
What is it?
Oh, is it full of mini cheddars?
I want to open it.
Ugh.
Let's open it.
I'm trying. They wrapped it. It had to travel overseas. No one opened this, so you're. Do you like my made hat? Tom's got one and Colby's got one too. Open.
Trying to fall.
Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to fall.
Who wrapped this? Okay, that's one layer.
No, I wrap it.
You are, but there's no way.
Let's open it.
Oh, I'm doing it. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. It's an empty box. Be a very expensive empty box, wouldn't it, if you paid to ship an empty box? Okay. Alright, got the bomb. Alright. Hang on. More packaging. Wait. Another pack. Hang on. This is one of those, what's that game called? Pass the parcel.
Let's open it. Let's open it.
There's another layer.
Let's open it, Mom.
Wait, hang on. I'm going to give you one thing at a time. Ooh. Oh, look. What's this? This is for Mummy. This is for Mummy. The size 5 to 6. This is for Mummy. Colby. Hang on, we're looking. Don't. Look. Oh, we lost him with the club. Hang on. Hang on. Look, what's this? Who's this? Oh my goodness, Colby, who's this? Oh, that's for me. That's my birthday present, isn't it? It's much nicer than the watch I have been wearing. Oh, Colby, what is that?
I want to open it.
Is that candy?
Yes, I want to open it. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
Sweets.
Let's open it. I want to eat some.
Alright, one.
I want two.
They are, why have I never heard of tornadoes? No.
No, I want some too.
Is it good? Mmm. Is this from Home Goods? That on bargains by the Finny. That's what. Very good. They're very sweet. They're very good. Okay. No, I'll show you this. Who's this?
Spider-Man.
No, it's Iron Man.
I like it.
We'll have to watch Iron Man, won't we? Just like Iron Man. Oh, what's this? Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, we got some movies. Look, it's PJ Masks.
I bought it wrong.
And, oh, the Very Hungry Caterpillar. Paw Patrol.
And firework.
Fireman Sam. Okay, hang on. Oh, I know. Oh, look. Oh, is this for me to read to Colby? Yes? Well, obviously he can't read. Oh, look, it says my mummy brightens my day from the moment she wakes up. Is that true?
Yes, I see it so yummy.
She is like Little Miss Sunshine on a cloudy day. I don't know about. My mummy can do more than one thing at a time, like magic. And when she reads me stories, I feel like I'm really there. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
My mummy is very friendly and likes to talk a lot. But she's also very good at listening, especially to me. Do I listen to you?
No.
My mummy is very curious and sometimes asks lots of questions. But she's also very wise and knows lots of answers. Do I know lots of answers? You better say yes. Who is this? Uh-oh. 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 Oh no, who am I seeing? Hang on. Who am I seeing? Who is it?
It's George.
It's George. Ah, Colby, hold him up. Hold him up. Let's have a look. It's a George. It's a duvet cover with George in space. And look, it's a dinosaur. I like the back. It needs washing because it's not very soft. You know when you get them and then you have to put fabric softener.
I want to open.
Hang on, let's put George up here. Hang on.
Yeah,
Oh, Colby. I found more candy.
More candy?
More. Oh, these are mine.
These are you. You want to eat these?
No, these aren't for you. These are grown-up ones. How do you say that? Is it dime?
No.
Is that what we say?
I want to open a vlog. No.
Hang on. We're going in here. Oh no! What's this? You love gummies. Gummies are your favorites.
I want to eat them.
Sit down then. It says share the happy, but I don't think Colby's sharing. You're not eating this anymore?
I want some too, please. I want two. I want
Red or blue? Oh.
blue.
I like the sticks. Oh, coloring book, Colby. Okay. Some stickers. Oh, they say your name.
My name.
They say Colby McWalters. They go on that clothing? Oh, that's cool. Hopefully he gets into pre-K. All right, Colby. Who's this?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. He wanted to dress like Spider-Man today, but we'd already decided. Oh no, we'd already decided it was a Thomas birthday. Are you ready for this, Colby?
Happy that. No, I want him.
What does he say?
I want them.
Rubble on the double. It's a train. Is that one of our trains from when we were little?
Yeah. The only one I could find.
It might not look like this when
What
Colby's...
looks like an egg?
It is an egg.
I want to eat it. It's a dummy.
It is a gummy. Ah. The only egg you eat sometimes.
What? What are your teeth? Ah, I want him.
Who is it?
Chase.
It's Chase. Uh-oh. Ooh, it's some jammies or PJ Masks. PJ Masks. And a t-shirt. Hang on. This t-shirt's inside out. More egg. Oh, it's a Pokemon. No, it's a Pokemon t-shirt.
I'm putting this in some room.
Oh, Colby, where are you going?
I'm trying to put this.
Oh, he's putting the train with its wooden trains. Lightning McQueen. I'm going to keep looking because Colby's... Oh, there's shorts for the pajamas. As well as the... That's nice. Vanessa, you didn't turn the tops in the right way. But they are folded. Oh. Ow. Don't think Colby's going to care. Colby! Look! Beep beep! Beep beep!
Mom, I want more dummies. Please.
Well, sit down then.
Mom, I want more dummies. I want green.
Green, orange.
Alright.
Let's go to sugar on them.
I want them. They're really yummy.
Oh. Sugar ones.
I want it.
Sour ones, yeah.
That word.
Uh-oh. Is this the pajama top? Colby, who's this? PJ Masks busy saving the day. That's a lot of clothes. Yay, my bedding! It's my Christmas bedding, right? Colby, you'll like this. Well, you will.
Now I know Paw Patrol.
Look, Colby. Hang on. Where are they? Where's their heads? There they are. Colby, it's Minnie and Mickey at Christmas. Minnie and Mickey at Christmas bedding. Ooh. Okay, Ben.
Yes, sour.
They are sour. He said yes, sour. Awesome! It's a dinosaur. Rah!
Ah!
What's that? Oh, very nice.
Nosy.
Uh-oh, what's this? It's an apron. You can wear this when we make your cake. No, put your arms in. Watch.
I don't want it.
Well, you're going to wear this when we bake your cake. We might get a couple of months because it's quite small.
Hello.
Uh-oh, what's this? These are the pillows for my, Mickey and Minnie, right? Pillowcases? Oh, it's Merry Christmas. I didn't know it said Christmas. Yeah. Does this one say the same? Merry Christmas. Oh, look! Who made this? No one. Mountain Warehouse.
I found it.
Can't put it on my head. Oh, you look lovely.
I just like Santa.
You do look like Santa.
I don't like that.
You do like it. Well, it's okay because I think my head.
Too big?
My head.
Too big?
No, it's perfect. And you can totally wear it too. But it's actually one that you can wear outside. Yes. Alright, let's have a look. Here's your pillowcases for George, or pillowcase. George. Colby, look, George. Uh-oh, what did you find? PJ Masks hats. See how big hang on. Hang on.
Very much.
It's good you mailed the stuff because it probably would not fit him much longer.
I want the free one.
Oh, PJ
Mommy,
Masks.
I want the free one.
After I adjusted that one to fit you.
I know, Colin.
There we are.
I like it.
PJ Masks. We got a t-shirt.
That's another brand
Yeah. Is this another pajama? Is this a t-shirt or a pajama top?
Gymnast.
Pajamas?
Gymnast.
PJ Masks. Well, you can wear it anyway. And I think, hang on.
You see something?
That's it. We're at the last piece. Oh, we had 2 there too. Hang on. Oop. This looks like Superheroes 2. Well, Colby likes sour candy. I didn't know that. Is this a t-shirt or a pajama top?
Pajamas.
So they go with, does it go with these?
No.
No.
That's the tractor one.
Beep, beep.
Cars.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. And then we have...
Beep. Beep.
Uh-oh. Who's this?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. What do you say to Grandma and Auntie Ness? And ultimately,
I want more candy. I want more candy.
what do you say?
Thank you.
That's right, you say thank you.
Mommy. Well, I want more candy. I want more candy, Mommy. I want more candy. I want more
Listen to
candy.
you, listen.
I want candy. Oh, no.
He's become a gummy monster. All he wants is the gummy. All right, Toby. Ah. How old are you? Are you 1?
No, 4.
4. That's right. Oh, very. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna go and finish the rest of this craziness. That's all the gifts I unwrapped, and Colby playing with Corey Carson. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you in another video. Bye. Oh, and I bumped my head.